Hello and welcome to another Daily Dose of Insights powered by Container xChange. My name is Christian, and every other day we bring to you the key news, stories, and data points to move container markets and hence your business. But it's Monday, so we typically have what we call Macro Monday here at xChange. We look at the week ahead and what kind of macroeconomic indicators and data points are to be released and are expected to move markets. Let me quickly share my screen to give you a little bit more guidance of what I'm talking about. This week, in general, relatively quiet, with the exception of the end of the week, so Thursday through Saturday, where the annual Symposium of US central bankers is going to take place in Jackson Hole, so in the remote countryside in the US. And at this annual event, which is typically very closely watched by market participants, Jerome Powell, the Fed Chair, is expected to give a little bit of an outlook, or at least comment on his plans with regards to interest rates cuts in 2024. Markets have by now fully priced in, stocks and bond markets have by now fully priced in 2 or 3 interest rate cuts still this year, so in the next couple of months. And if this does not take place, if Powell is going to be more hawkish and saying no, rate cuts are not really on the horizon, we have to still sit and watch and wait and see, then markets are expected to severely react negatively. While on the flip side, if there's a more positive picture with regards to rate cuts being hinted at by Powell, then markets will very likely react positively. And this is, of course, bonds and stock markets, because they are sort of most reactive to these kinds of data points. But as a result of interest rates environments, of course, you'll also see demand for capital goods and imports and potentially sort of retail spend develop over the coming weeks and months, and that, of course, influences demand for freight growth, or for freight demand for containerized space, and that in turn has an impact on freight rates. So also for the global container trading and freight forwarding and shipping area or industry, these data points do have quite a bit of significance. And apart from that, this week, as I said, relatively quiet. There's some PMI, so Purchasing Manager Index data, to be released on Thursday. For example, India expected to move sideways, but at relatively high levels, while Europe, there's of course euro area indicators, but also country level indicators are mostly picking up. So mostly sort of below 50 points, below the threshold from contraction to expansion, but most of them are picking up. For example, here, euro area manufacturing PMI to increase to 46.3 points. Now, that's it from us for today. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Thanks a lot for your time, and speak to you all on Wednesday. Take care.